Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to organize spark plug wires using zip ties and wire cuts. It's pretty simple if you don't want to go buy new ones or you just want to see if a spark plug wire layout is going to work. So we're going to go out to the Mustang and take a look at it. Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is take a zip tie, loosely put it around all 4 of the wires like this. Figure out how you want them. So we're going to try to go something like that. So I'm going to leave it so I have some gap between them, like so. Grab a second one, go between 2 wires like that. Grab your second one, go between those wires. Grab your third one, go between those like that. And then slowly like that. Take your side cuts, cut the tails off. Like that. And you can route these, you can put those underneath. This is just an example, but you can hide all of the ends. And that way, your wires aren't going to move. Alright guys, there you go. Fixed spark plug wires are not all loosey-goosey all over the place. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, drop a comment if you want to leave a comment. So until next time, guys, take care and have a great rest of your day.